we focus on medical oxygen generator with 3 lows and 3 highs as the core to build an intelligent oxygen generation system for hospital use. 3 low advantages: extremely low failure rate, low maintenance cost, lower operational power consumption. 3 high advantages: high safety, high quality, high cost effectiveness. We adopt a self-developed special low-pressure dedicated oil-free air compressor and multi-stage self-cooling supercharging technology. Optimize the air distribution and pressure equalization design. The inlet air pressure is controlled below 0.05 megapascals. This is only 1/10 of the inlet air pressure of traditional oxygen generation processes, avoiding the impact on molecular sieves and ensuring a 10-year-long service life of the system. Under the same oxygen production capacity, the power consumption is only 1/3 of that of traditional systems. The maintenance cost is reduced by 50%. The service life is extended by 3 times. The volume is smaller, making it easier to maintain. Choosing us means choosing reliability and efficiency.